This is Joseph Lords with Lords Appliance Repair, and I am here today to talk to you about the proper use of the Frigidaire dishwasher. The Frigidaire dishwasher has a component on the lower spray arm called the accordion arm. The accordion arm is what washes the top rack of dishes in your dishwasher, and it does so by extending upward during the wash cycle, spraying water on the top rack, as well as spraying water straight up through the middle square of the top rack where water goes through, hits the ceiling, and then distributes water over the top of the dishes, cleaning the top of the dishes. The reason we're having the discussion about the proper use of this dishwasher is because it's common for people to cover this middle square. And when you do that, it prevents the accordion arm from being able to extend up and clean the top rack. So it's important to not cover this middle square of the bottom rack. It's also important to not tilt any dishes over the top of this rack, because doing so can cause the accordion to get stuck in the up position. And the reason that's a problem is because if the accordion arm gets stuck in the up position, that will result in the dishwasher running through its cycle, finishing, and then when you come to open the dishwasher door, you pull out the rack and effectively pop off the spray arm from its mounting bracket, resulting in the spray arm landing on the heating element and melting the spray arm. So to avoid any unnecessary repairs, avoid covering or partially covering this middle square, and you will be properly using your Frigidaire dishwasher. If you have any questions about your dishwasher, or about any of your household appliances, or if you need service for any of your household appliances for repair, please call Lords Appliance Repair at 850-454-4470. You can also check out our website at lordsappliancerepair.com or communicate through email at lordsappliancerepair@gmail.com. Thank you.